Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accelerate egg development. To begin, maintaining a stable temperature is paramount for successful embryo growth. Fluctuations can significantly slow down or even halt development. Next, consistent humidity levels are essential to prevent the egg from drying out, which is a common issue. Finally, regular turning of the eggs ensures the embryo doesn't stick to the shell and receives even heat, promoting faster, healthier development. Achieving the right temperature is key. For most poultry eggs, a consistent 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Use a high-quality, calibrated thermometer to ensure accuracy, as even a half-degree difference can impact development time. It's vital to avoid any sudden temperature drops or spikes, as these can stress the embryo and delay hatching, or worse, cause developmental issues. Humidity plays a critical role in egg development. For the majority of the incubation period, aim for a relative humidity between 50% and 60%. In the final 3 days before hatching, increase this to 65% or even 70% to soften the shell and aid the chick's emergence. Good ventilation is also crucial, providing fresh air and removing carbon dioxide, which supports robust embryo growth. Regular turning is essential for even heat distribution and preventing the embryo from sticking. Turn your eggs at least 3 to 5 times daily, but avoid turning them during the final 3 days before hatching. This allows the chick to position itself correctly for hatching. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Following these steps will significantly improve your chances of a successful and timely hatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.